In this video, I'm going to show you how to create brushes in HiPaint. Now to do this, you first want to go to the top and tap on the brush icon and tap it again whenever it's blue. There we go. So from here, you have to select which category you want to add a brush to. You could of course go and use any of these over here, which are in here already, or you could go and create a new one by tapping the create button up top. Now when you do this, an unnamed one is going to be created, as you can see, and you can rename it by pressing the rename button up top. But if you can't see it, you can simply tap on the button above it, which is between the pin and X button. So at the top, you can see there's like 4 squares, quite a weird icon. I can tap on that, and from here, there's going to be the rename buttons down at the bottom. You can simply tap on them for them to actually get added at the top, and then over here, you'll be able to then see the rename button, and you can rename it whatever you want. So I'm going to name this one Amazing Brush, okay? Brushes, okay, over here, there we go. That's my category, and now I have it out here at the bottom. Now I can tap on it, and then in here to create a new brush, I can just tap on new at the top, and there we go. We have a brush. In here we can again tap on it, and we can set however we want. You can of course go at the top and scroll to actually rename it as well. So I'm going to name this one Awesome Brush. Okay, just like this, awesome brush, okay, and then confirm. You can tap on it, and in here you can customize it and create your own customized brush, okay? You can change a bunch of different things, like the common things over here. You can change like things like basically how it looks, the flow, etc. You can change shapes over here by tapping on the circle over here, the texture as well by adding texture. You can make it a dual pen. You can set pressure and tilt, dynamics, etc. There's a bunch of different things you can do, and yeah, that's essentially it. When you're done, tap on the arrow back button up top right, select your brush, and you can then go ahead and test it over here on your canvas. So that's how to create brushes. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.